Okay, it is day 6 today, so it's double injection day. So I'm gonna put you down. And I have my first medication. Ready. Just have to my syringe. Ta-da! My little baby needle, and make sure that teeny tiny drop comes out. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so yesterday I did it here. I don't have any gauze with me. I mean, I have some, but not really. So today it's going to be here. There's that one. Don't ask me why I was more hesitant today. Normally I just push it in, but I really actually did that kind of slow. So there's that one. Now it kind of burns a little bit. And usually it takes it a second and then it'll start bleeding, and then I'll put some pressure on it. And then here's today's newest injection. Pretty much I don't do anything special with it. I just take off the cap. And here's this one with a really tiny needle. And make sure that the liquid, just a little bit. Oh. There's a big old bubble. There we go. Try this again. There we go. Just rub that medication on. Oh. Ah! It's okay, just dramatic. I'll put it right here, I think. And pretty much I did the exact same thing. Okay, and that one didn't actually burn. Like, the other medicine sort of burns. Granted, don't get me wrong, it stings. Oh gosh, okay, yeah, that does not feel good. So this is like the difference between the two. One's obviously a better, like, syringe. I think one's glass. Well, they're both plastic, but the inside, I think one is glass. And then I think this entire thing is almost full of stuff. Well, not this entire thing, but a good portion of it. Where I only do like 1 milliliter on this one, this is like a good portion. And then, so what this does is stimulates my egg growth. I'm not even looking at the camera. This stimulates my egg growth, and then what this one does, this smaller one right here, it prevents or helps prevent early or premature follicle release. Because I have a plethora, or I'm supposed to have a plethora of eggs that are being made right now, like an abundance, more so than natural, that are growing right now. I need all that I can get for the egg retrieval day. And as that day gets closer and closer, as that day gets closer and closer, I have a greater risk to needing or about to have my eggs released. Somebody just... Okay, sorry, somebody was at my front door. They probably wanted to sell me something. I have to get a no soliciting sign because that's really annoying. And it happens all the time. And they do rounds. Like, if they can't hit up one house, they have them go back around. And I'm just like, go away. I don't want to buy whatever you're selling me. And I know it's not important, because if it was important, I'd get it through the mail, or I'd get a message or an email or something. So anyway, pretty much my eggs get closer and closer to releasing, and to prevent that, I have to start the double injections. And that was not the best, but at least I don't have to mix the medication with that. You just kind of take it out, stick it in, push it in, and you're good. So, thank you for following us on our journey. I hope we reach our destination to our treasure very soon. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me at any time, at any place. I'll be really excited and pumped to help you through anything you might be concerned about through your own journey, or if you are considering learning about it, or just anything in general. I would like to be able to offer what I can. Of course, I'm not a medical professional, but I can at least offer my experience and answer questions that I've personally gone through. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!